will give you an important fact about Gili Trawangan. The first, enjoy the sunset and sunrise at the same time. So, in Gili Trawangan, you can uh, see sunset and sunrise at same time. It's a good view. And then the second one, go around the island on foot. The third one, the price for necessity is very expensive. The fourth one, the presence of many cats. And then the last one, motorized vehicles are not permitted. Okay, before we go to Gili Trawangan, we will go to Teluk Nare by car. In Gili Trawangan, we can use a private boat. But first, I will to tell you Teluk Nare. Teluk Nare is a small private port located on the northwest coast of Lombok. This local harbor connects Lombok and the Gili Island with speed about only 5 until 10 minutes away. So, I will see the Teluk Nare first. Okay. Okay, Miss, our first vacation site is here.
Let me know where it is.
This is a Teluk Nare. This way to go to Gili Trawangan by private boat.
May I ask why it is named Teluk Nare?
Teluk Nare is a small private port located on the northwest coast of Lombok. This local harbor connects Lombok and Gili Trawangan Island.
Oh, I see. What's so special about this place?
Okay, there are about a dozen dive shops and schools, all eager to show you the stunning underwater scenery. Uppers dive, cozy up in the beach bungalow, and sip on a tropical drink.
Wow, that's interesting. Thank you for introducing the natural beauty of this city.
Okay, before we go to Gili Trawangan, I will tell you about safety rules, etiquette, and customs in Gili Trawangan. The first, safety in Gili Trawangan, there is a lot of worry over the safety of fast boats from Bali to Gili Island. There are many fast boat companies running multiple boats between Bali and the Gilis every day. I won't say there has never been an incident on this route, but for all the boats that run daily, The chances of anything happening are very, very, very slim. When you get out on the boat, make sure there are good life vests for everyone and smaller ones if you are traveling with kids. And then the rules in Gili Trawangan. The rules in Gili Trawangan, the first in Gili Trawangan, exploring the ocean is November until April is a bad time to do diving and snorkeling. Why? Why is a bad time? Because usually the wind is very strong. So the waves are very big, then the prohibition in tourist motorized vehicles are not permitted and tourists are only allowed to use bicycle. And to enter this area are not allowed to wear bikini. Rules again, you can use your friendly sunscreen because the temperature is too sensitive. Some tourists discover the coral reefs are also sensitive to oxybenzone and octinoxate. And then before going to the beach, make sure your sunscreen product doesn't contain these chemicals. There are plenty of sunscreen products on that they actually reef safe and eco-friendly. And then you can single-use plastic product because in Indonesia we will produce about 300 million tons of plastic waste and 10% them makes their way into the ocean every year. It doesn't matter where is the world you visit, plastic can be found washing up on almost every single beach. Being responsibility, you can practice every day. I have a tips on plastic-free beach day. The first, prepare food from home and put in the little container. The second one, bring your own water bottle. The third one, bring reusable beige. And then the last one, buy bamboo or stainless straw for your drinks. It's better for the environment and looks cool on you. Okay. The next one, support local cleanup action. We as a tourist in Lombok, participant in a beach cleanup action instead enclosed by beach. This way you can help collect debris at your local site. And then I will tell you about etiquette. The island is a part of Muslim culture, so modest etiquette should be practiced. You will be Western, walking or cycling around the main strip wearing bikinis and exposing bare chest to show off tan and tone abs. So please be respectful and wrap a sarong around you, put on a t-shirt. The locals will be very grateful. And then the second one, the guys working here were super friendly at all times and we had so many laugh with them. When it was Suryan's birthday, he kindly shared some of his birthday cake with us. The third one, we found the people on Gili is really friendly. Why? Because the south along the harbor try to entice you into the bar or restaurant or sell you about ticket. But away from here, local with no agenda smile and make polite small talk. The last one, immediately upon our arrival, I was in there to Gili, had a good feeling about the island. Unfortunately, we only spent one day here as a tour Indonesian. Otherwise, I have no doubt we would have stayed longer. And then the custom of Gili Trawangan. The island is a part of Muslim culture, so modest etiquette should be practiced. You will see Western walking or cycling around the main strip, around the beach, but I hope you will be respectful to the island resident because this island is a good culture. Now I will to tell you about Gili Trawangan. Gili Trawangan is the largest of Lombok Gili Island. The island has a population about 1,000 people. Of the Gilis Trawangan has the most tourist facilities. The most crowded part of the Trawangan is on the eastern side. So before we go to Gili Trawangan, I will show you about Gili Trawangan first. Wait a minute. Okay. This is Gili Trawangan Islands.